So we just got the tires aired down here, load up, a lot easier kind of loading up the gear or whatever, so everyone's trying to get out in the bush out of the video. We're gonna go check out some trail and try to clear some trails. So me and Blackie came in the last winter, and we had to drive over a couple hundred trees with our sleds, and it's not a groomed snowmobile trail. It's a marked trail, but not a groomed snowmobile trail, so the snowmobile club doesn't clear it. So we're gonna go out and see how she does clear some trail. Well, boys, we made her out to Field of Dreams here, and holy, she's mucky as hell. We haven't been here since last September. When was Dirt Tracks? We came in September? In the fall?
I thought so.
Oh, maybe. Well, we haven't been here it's almost been a year. So I thought it would be a little drier than this, and it does not look very dry. Stalder, boys!
I think we'll be okay. Clear the bush when you're riding with the ostacruiser.
Isn't that crazy?
You just gave it a hand gesture?
No, I was just waving. It found its way and then got the proper distance again. Blackie went through here on her sleds.
Nice.
We'll cut these ones and I'll change batteries. We didn't lose the chainsaw case. Oh my god, it's so juicy. That's where that other trail comes in, Jared. Everyone hanging on?
Yep. Yep.
This is juicy, boys. now we gotta go pick up Jared.
Cabs are here.
Cabs are here.
Can I see your license and registration, please?
Holy, was that soupy? Holy smokes.
Got a good video? I think so.
Oh, that was insane.
That was a bit sketchy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fucking fun.
There's a couple more small ones, but that's the nastiest one.
You guys going through this one?
Yeah.
Well, now that you loosened it up, we can go through there probably. Hey?
Yeah,
So
would winch better, that's for sure.
behind this thing.
Yeah.
Trail grooming, bugs. Yeah, box scraper. At some point I'd like to get a drive-by video. I should have got that from there.
We gotta cut these trees. Well, boys, as you can see, no one's been down this trail for quite some time. She's pretty overgrown. A fire went through here, I think it was only 3 years ago. Really bad forest fire went through and burnt this whole area. So you got all that blowdowns, plus like look at all these saplings growing. No one traveling the trails, eh? Everything just grows back like nothing. Oh, there's a snarled mess in some of these places. Okay, I got a plan. This guy's not in my plan though. Okay, got her. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, that hurt.
You okay?
Yeah.
That one had some spring to her.
Christ.
Jeez.
Okay.
All right.
You're gonna have to cut this one. Or you got this one?
We'll see. It's pretty old and crappy.
Have to hit
If
her
I
a
could
little
just
more.
get it to fall off that tree. Okay, now we'll back up and hopefully it'll fall down. Oh, like a glove. So yeah, as I was saying, this trail is not too traveled. We just went through some really marshy spots that we haven't been able to get through in a number of years, so we've never been at this part of the trail. This is kind of the end of the trail, so like I was saying, even though it hasn't rained for, I don't know, like no significant rain for at least 2 months, everything is still wet as hell. Jeez. Gotta get my GoPro.
Yeah. Don't wreck the selfie stick.
Yes, that one pushed all the rest down.
Awesome. It's flat back there now. Is there a whole clear path? Oh yeah. That's gonna be some good footage.
Gonna be easy sledding this winter, that's for sure. Removed the trees we had to and drove over the rest. Packed them down, so a couple feet of snow and she'll be good as gold.